Hi friend, in today's video I will discuss about how not to be confused during trading. Now one of the key or major reason that people who attempt to trade fail because they remain confused during the market. When market open, they do not have a strict plan or rule or guidelines, or maybe you can call it checklist to what to do today in the market, exactly what to check, where to check, and what will be the trade, which type of trading plan today we should follow. Not having the clear idea about what to do create confusion. Now, one of the way to solve this problem is that if you have a trading guidelines, if you have a something which guide you exactly what to do, when to do, and you know exactly what you will do today when market will open. So one of the trading strategy I always recommend that you should follow a step-by-step process, and you should attempt the market with flexibility. I call it flexibility like a gardener. I call it trade like a gardener. Now a gardener approach when he nurture different plant they have different planning for them, right? And the outcome he may think, the outcome may not be always the same, but he has a plan for how to nurture, when to give the water to the plant, everything. He has a plan. Similarly, when we trade, if you trade with this Bank Nifty 2.10 XL, which guide us to exactly the same thing, like a gardener, you have a clear idea that when you will do what. For an example, you have to enter the open, high, low, close, and 8-period exponential moving average data here at the start. At it is mentioned here, start here, and then step by step you have to check what is the plan today. There could be conditions 1, conditions 2, or conditions 3. Based on that, you will find the trade, exactly where to buy, where to place stop loss, and everything in these conditions 1, conditions 2, or conditions 3. These conditions you will check based on the indications in this step to check the plan. See, so everything you need to understand about this type of trading is actually documented in this free 60-minute expert guide of Bank Nifty. You can go to the description sections, you can download the book for more details. I have given a lot of example exactly how you can trade using this Excel. Okay, now I will show you what was the trade of today's, and how today was a really big day for us, and we had around 800 plus point profit in Bank Nifty. That's roughly around 22,000. So how we can get this trade at the early of the morning at 9:30. So what you have to do is that, as it's clearly mentioned here, that first you have to check the 15-minute chart period, and you have to enter the data of the open, high, low, close, and 8-period exponential moving average in this Excel. So let's enter the data and check what was the trade today. So I kept my cursor at the first candle, and the first candle high was 3089, 3089.95. Okay, and the, sorry, I made a little mistake, it would be open, and the open is 30798.55, and the high was 30899.95, and the low of the day, was low of the day was 30588. Low of the day is 30588.95. Okay, and close was 30885.70, and ATMA was 31107. ATMA was 31107.75. So with that, once you enter all this data, you have to check the step 2, and under step 2 it is clearly mentioned that the conditions today was a yes under conditions 2. So what you have to do is that you have to go to the conditions 2 tab, and you have to find the trade. So it says that place a buy order at 30903. So let's place a buy order. I am placing a horizontal line to show you exactly, and this line will be at 30903, and so this is around 30903. This was the buy level, and it says that place a sale order at 30586. It also says a placing a buy order, sorry, sale order at 30586. So let's place a 30586, and somehow here it was the 30586. So if I make it 30586, okay, and so this is the two order you have to place. One order you have to place at 30899, and one order you have to place at 30586. And as you can see that shortly after that, the buy order has been executed, the buy trade has been executed, and the moment your buy order has been triggered, your this order 30586 will start acting as a stop loss. And now, ideally, it is recommended to hold the trail till 315. But because there was a buy order executions, you have to exit the trade at 31212. Target if buy order trigger is 31212. Yes, your buy order has been executed, so your target will be 31212. So let's place the target here, and the target will be 31212. Okay, so here was the target, and as you can see that around 11:15 your target was achieved. Market moves significantly high after that, but okay, we have got with that almost say 300 odds point, and it's around 7,000 profit today. So I explain you exactly how you should not be confused during trading. You should have a plan. Enter the data at the step 1 at 9:30. Enter the data of the first 15-minute open, high, low, close, and 8 float exponential moving average, and check the step by step what is the trade today, and trade accordingly. It will help you Again, I am mentioning not to be confused during the market. Confusion is our enemy, and we have to kill that enemy of confusion. Thank you so much for your time today. I will update you in next trade. Thank you so much.